Nope. Nope. That's not quite right. Nope. Nope. Not right. Nope. It's not dope. There. I think that's what I want. Stand back, take a gander at it. Nope. Not quite right, but what I've got to do is, it's just not balanced, not sitting the way I want it. So I'll heat it up at the base and lean it over to the left a bit. I think. I don't know. It'll tell me. It'll tell me when it's right. It's good. Well, we have here the makings of a Venus flytrap plant. This one here done captured him a couple of dragonflies, and that one's about to. And I learned something when I was reading about the Venus flytrap and studying up on that a little bit. And they have these little trigger hairs inside the pod, and if a fly gets in there or a bug gets in there and touches one of these little trigger hairs, it does not trip the plant. It does not slam shut unless this one or another one is touched within 20 seconds of the first touch, and then it'll slam shut. So if it touches one and waits 20 seconds and touches another one, it won't slam shut. But if it touches two of those within 20-second time period, then the trap slams shut, and we have that. And I also learned while reading about them that looking at images of the Venus flytrap plant, the leaves are kind of boring. They're just these fan type leaves that run down the stalk, and they just fan out on each side, and I don't like that. I think that's kind of boring and ugly, and I'm going to take those off. I put them on because I was trying to be true to the real plant, and you know, this is a whimsical garden art, and it's not true to form. So I'm going to cut those off and make it what I want to make it. And the leaves will probably be made from old shovels or something more to my liking. But that's boring, and I don't like it, and I'm going to take them off. So that's what happens sometimes when you're building this stuff. It just don't look right, so you change it until it does look right. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to change it. So I was telling a friend of mine today that the leaves are kind of not real, they're just kind of boring on these plants, and I was going to make my own leaves, and I said, well, then it'll be a hybrid. So I guess that's what it is. All right.